bang with this.
Nay, nay, daddy's back. Yeah, okay. C3. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. Tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual. I bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write nothing, cause I ain't got time. Cause my second minute hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of Allah. Yeah, sister, brother, son, daughter, father, mother, lovely coppers. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, trunk popping, tell the coppers, ha ha ha. You can't get them, you can't stop them. I go by them gurus. You can't beat them, then you drop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like overridden by a young money. C3. Nay, nay, daddy's back, baby. Okay, I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. What y'all really wanna now? Y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip-hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit. Get it? Call me with your like trick, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Man, I hate a shy chick. Don't you hate a shy chick? I had a plate of shy chick and she ain't shy no more. She changed her name to my chick. Yeah, boy, that's my girl. And she pops excellent up in Wayne's World. Totally, dude, you should see their faces when they see that this robot can move. And they say, yeah, and they go, that's right. I'm a millionaire, I'm a young money, cash money, fast money, slow money, move money, never knew money. What is that? Who is that? I never heard of it. I will take your picture and make a rest in peace shirt of it. Someone should take this beat and make a rest in peace shirt of it, because I killed it. I don't tell no one you heard of me. It's like the beat was screaming murder me, and I'm a murderer, so I murdered it.